Is it coming out clean?
Yep.
Yep, gotta wash your bike. Smells good.
Nice. Really free air. Wait, I got this.
Oh wow! Make sure you get everything clean.
Yep, I am.
The charger should be here in a little while.
Yeah. Wait, it got these, and it got 3 lights.
Yeah, it's got lights on it. We'll find out.
And let me see buttons.
Did you clean the other side? I see some spider webs down there on the floor underneath it. You see it?
Oh yeah. I didn't realize I actually cleaned my motorcycle.
Now you got to wear your helmet, your Spider-Man helmet when you wear it.
I don't need helmet.
Yes, you do.
I know how I put in my shop.
I know, but you have to wear a helmet.
I know.
Those are the rules.
I don't have to though.
Yes, you do.
I probably will get hurt.
I know you won't get hurt because you're going to be wearing a helmet.
No, I don't need helmet.
If you don't wear the helmet, you can't ride it.
Fine.
Okay.
Let me feel diamond spot.
It's got diamonds on it?
Yeah, look, right there.
That's chrome, honey.
That's the same thing. And we got foam on there and diamond foam.
You're so funny.